Hey guys, this is Al. Now today I'm going to be doing a review of Doodle Maker. Doodle Maker is probably the most advanced whiteboard animation software I have seen. All right, so let's get into it. For those of you who are unfamiliar with what whiteboard animation is, basically, if you ever watched a video online where you saw a hand drawing images in the background while somebody narrates and tells a story, that's whiteboard animation. Now, this software allows you to make your own whiteboard animation videos and make unlimited whiteboard animation videos for your marketing, your YouTube channel, your Facebook, whatever. And it also does whiteboard animation, blackboard animation, glassboard animation, basically any color animation you want to make, you can do it with this software. Now let's talk about some of the things that you can do with it and why you need this software in your life, okay? All right, so let's look at it. The first, of course, you can make video sales letters. All right, and then you have Facebook ads that you can put online. You have educational videos, you got YouTube videos, you've got presentations, you've got video training. You can even do logo openers, and you can make a huge amount of money selling whiteboard animation videos. Some videos are going for like anywhere from $200 to $500 or even more depending on the length. It could be like thousands of dollars when you check online. You see how much people are paying for whiteboard animation. And this software allows you to make, like I said, unlimited whiteboard animation videos. All right, so let's get into some of the things that it offers as features. Of course, I'm only going to cover a few of them because there are so many features of this software, guys. It is absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you also the back office and the inner workings of the software and give you an idea of how easy it is to use. All right, so it has a text-to-speech feature. They have an AI translation engine, and I'm going to go into that because that's probably one of the best features here. You have the ability to upload your own video, your own um, images. You have the ability to edit the images that they have, and they have massive amounts of images that are all royalty free. And you can do so much with this software. I'm going to show you actually because it's better to show than to talk. You know, it's just I'm going to just show you what's going on here. All right, so the company says that it's a three-step process. I don't know about that. I don't think it's just a three-step process, but it is pretty easy. All right, so let's talk about the three what I call the power features of this software. This is the back office or your entry portal in making the videos. Now, you have three ways that you can make videos, and I'm going to share with you. All right, the first one is they have ready-made templates for hundreds and hundreds of industries. Okay, so basically, when you get this software, if you are trying to sell videos to a chiropractor, a doctor, a dentist, a lawyer, a contractor, a painter, whatever, they have ready-made templates. All you have to do is change the name of the company, change some of the company information, and then you've got a video that you can give to them and sell to them. You can even put your own branding on it until they pay you. So you can show them what the video would be like. If they want edits, you can come back and edit it. And then once they pay you, you can deliver that finished product. So that's one of the power features, as I call it. All right, the next one is, of course, you can start from scratch. You can basically have your own script. You can have your own audio recording, and then you can upload it and the AI basically picks out the words and gathers the images to make your whiteboard animation video. Okay, so that's awesome. And then the last feature is something that you really are going to get excited about, and that is this. You can take YouTube videos that you already made or Creative Commons videos, or other videos that you want to, like I should say, repurpose and change, um, and make them different. And then you can actually take those videos just by loading on the video link from YouTube, and this will create whiteboard animation videos based on the other video that you got from YouTube. Isn't that something? I mean, that is amazing right there. Basically, unlimited content. All right. So let's talk about that first feature. All right. So here's the thing. You've got these templates that are already pre-made, that you can select. You can just edit, and then, like I said, you can sell them to different companies, show them, and then you can also use them for your own marketing, your lead generation. There's so many things that you can do with this, as far as different ways that you can monetize this technology. All right. And then what happens is you can stack images, you can upload your images, you can delete images, you can change the colors of images. It's totally editable. You can change the sizes of the images to create stories. And here's one of the other awesome features of this software. If you've ever wanted to market in other languages other than your own native language, this software gives you the ability to take your text, translate it into other languages, and still create whiteboard animation videos that sells and markets your products or services. Isn't that amazing? And they have a vast library of images as well as audio, music, and also multiple languages that it can be translated into. So that's one of the best features of this. All right. And then, as I mentioned before, you can take your own images, your own photographs, you can upload them to this cloud-based service and software. And then you can take out backgrounds, you can add photo filters, all within the software. And you can create your own stories from your own pictures. Okay. Now, that's awesome. But I've got more awesomeness coming your way. All right. So here we go. We also have these 4 bonuses that the company offers when you purchase this, and I'm going to add some bonuses as well as my own personal bonuses. But these are the bonuses that the company offers. All right, you have royalty-free images, you have royalty-free music, you get a commercial license, and you also get unlimited video rendering. Yes, there are some upgrades as well, and I'm going to talk to you about that when you go through. They have some one-time offers, but I found that you do not necessarily need the one-time offers unless you are going to turn this into a digital marketing empire. If you're interested in doing that, then they have everything you need to do that. All right. So the first one here is going to allow you to just make larger length videos. You may or may not want that. It's only about $10 more than what you're paying. It may be worth it for you because what happens is with the longer length, it's less editing and less stacking of videos, because you can use the 6-minute videos that they give you, but you can also use longer length videos to tell more detailed stories. All right, and there's some other features as you go through. You're going to have to see if those things are something for you. All right, so what I'm going to talk about is how to get some mega bonuses. All right. All right, so when you click the link below this video to get Doodle Maker, you're going to land on this page. This is the mega bonus page. This is the page where if you buy Doodle Maker through my link, I'm going to give you some mega bonuses. All right, so let's talk about it. You just click the link here. It'll be taking you to the sales page of Doodle Maker. And then once you buy Doodle Maker, I am going to give you these mega bonuses. All right. The first mega bonus is how to explode your YouTube channel. Basically, it's going to walk through with this video training about how to make your YouTube channel more profitable, how to get more subscribers, and just make an awesome YouTube channel for yourself and your company. All right. And then we have the crazy traffic explosion training. This ebook is going to show you how to get unlimited free traffic and get traffic using free traffic sources, all right, to your website, to your blog, to your channel. It's going to show you how to do that. Number three is basically this is something I thought would work really well with Doodle Maker, and this is the 10K storytelling formula. Basically, if you want to learn how to tell stories that convert into sales and leads, because remember, they say that facts tell, but stories sell. And that is something that you're going to get with this training. You're going to learn how to tell amazing stories that engage your audience and use these stories with Doodle Maker and get better conversions. All right. And then we have the 5-figure freedom. Basically, this shows you some secret tactics for increasing your residual income, creating long-term wealth, and you're going to love this training. I mean, some of the automated tools that you're going to find out about here and how to basically increase your income, you're going to love this training. All right. And lastly, the last bonus is the 10x commissions training. And this is going to give you the secret sauce to conversions and more sales online. You want this training. You really want this training. All right. So to get all of these bonuses, all you need to do is click the link below this video and you will get them when you click and you purchase Doodle Maker through that page. And that's basically it, guys. Subscribe to this channel. I will talk to you guys later and have a great one.